15 main cap crypto picks. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Right. And before I get too far, this is brought to you by myself, which I'm an independent business owner of the I Am Academy, where we have over 60 instructors. This list is my own stocks, forex, any of this stuff, personal development, learning social media, e-learning. Um, it's a great place to learn. If you have any questions about it, this is why I'm sharing this stuff, just to kind of share with you about the I Am Academy. But you can, I do have an offer. You can call me anytime. I love to just talk to you about it. If you have any questions, feel free to, we can just chat about it. It may or may not be a fit. Either way is okay. But I feel like we are an phase. This might be something to consider. One is if you can build from building a portfolio, but you can also build if you're interested because there's so many people interested or that will be interested in this space. If you have an interest in having your own online business where you can spread the word and help other people get e-learning with hard work and dedication talking about I'm talking about main cap, my top 15 main caps. I've been doing a lot of a fair amount of study in this area lately because I opened up a new account and I wanted to structure some kind of a this is more of a long-term investing account, and I wanted to structure some kind of a like a like an index fund of the top main cap coins, right? So picks. I'm gonna share them with you and do a little research live. I'm gonna show you how how to do research. Okay, so for one, a free website you can go to is called CoinGecko.com. Hopefully my internet holds up. CoinGecko.com. It's a free website. Feel free to log on right now, check it out, get on there and now the the CoinGecko has so much information, but I want to. There's so much to cover. This is going to be a long enough video. I just wanted to focus in on the main point today, but just in general, I want to give you an idea of what do we mean by main cap versus mid cap versus low cap, right? So main cap. Now think, what's cap mean? Cap. Okay, well look over here on the top part of the page. You see the word market cap. Now, if you broke that whole industry down money wise into thirds, and that's how I see it. Now, other people might see it differently, but take the whole market cap, divide it into thirds, a third, a third, a third. Now, disproportionately, the top third market cap is going to be the biggest market cap, and all the way on the far side of things is going to be cap, mid cap, low cap. Now, sometimes what's crazy is some of the biggest gains in crypto come from the small cap because they start small. There's 14 plus thousand coins, so not everybody gets in on a new growing project, but then they grow 1,000 times, and that's sometimes where you hear about these big returns. So we're I'll pull it up right here. MAINCAP. I have it saved right here for us. The MAINCAP, and we'll go down each one here in a minute. But this is the MAINCAP right here. Top 15 MAINCAPs that I've picked for myself. So I feel like they're the ones that 10 years from now, I'm betting, I guess is a one way to say, I'm putting my money down that this list. I have a paper list as well, and it's not in the same order, but I'm gonna go off this today because they're all here and there's none extra. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, Polygon, Litecoin, Uniswap, Cosmos Hub, Stellar, Maker, Algorand, and Tezos. 15. Okay. Now, let's see here. What's interesting, a lot of times on the info, when you're doing your research, Bitcoin is so decentralized. I'm wondering, let's see here. I just want to search on community. I want to see what happens when we click community/Bitcoin. Okay. I'm not sure, but a lot of these projects communicate on X or Twitter, right? And then we do have some websites. Let's see here. Interesting. So you can click on the website, you look around, you can click on the Twitter. The Twitter a lot of times is good because you can see when they're active, people are engaged, and the project is growing, right? So, okay, so that's a look at Bitcoin. Let's look at over here on levels. This is from the IM Academy. This is on the weekly eye on it. Long term, nobody knows what's going to happen short term, really. But long term, there's a lot of, when you listen to the educators talk about the uses and why these things are more valuable, your buy-in you start to understand why these things, why they're going to make it, basically, why they're going to make it. So this is Bitcoin. This is a very interesting project. Let's click the website. So you click on the website, look around, learn, right? Learn what they're talking about. Let's go to community. Today I'm going to make sure part of my homework that I'm doing as I'm doing this with you is I'm making sure I'm following all my top 15 picks on X. That's my Solana. Very interesting. There's a lot of things going on here. Let's click the website. See, this is how you learn. You click around, you explore around. I'm not going to dig through their website but this is how you learn. You have to, I feel like it helps to be, I'm going to follow. That's my thing today. See, now when I get on X, I'm going to get notified. Yesterday, matter of fact, and I'm hoping they're going to be around for the next 10 years. So I really want to stay in touch. Sometimes what happens with a project like Solana is other projects, like low cap projects, are built on the Solana. So that's sometimes where not everybody's making all the connections yet, but you will if you get around it enough. Sometimes a new project blow up, maybe 1,000x, and it'll push maybe Solana up 10% or whatever. So So it's a ripple effect. Sometimes Solana, other things are being built on Solana. But Solana is like, I feel like Solana is kind of like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. They're what's called layer ones. To me, these are my top three. And it's almost like owning the casino versus owning a poker table or a black. Give us better returns later on. Does that make sense? Hope that makes sense. Okay, so, right, okay. Community, Twitter. Let's see here. Yeah, Web3 for all. This is their Twitter. Okay. DeFi. Get used to that term if you're in this space. DeFi. Right, DeFi. Okay. Ethereum, Solana, all get a bell because these are my top three right here that I'm for the future, right? That I am, my research and stuff, the way that I'm going about investing and stuff, and not financial advice, but these are my top three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. But now that I'm sharing with you that I kind of put together myself. Now, let's see here with the help of YouTube and IM Academy. This is XRP. All right, now let's look at the website, ripple.com. You can go in and learn. What's interesting about Ripple XRP is they're solving a problem about payment systems, and it's going to be probably, but it's a little different than a lot of the others, is what's kind of interesting. So make sure that I'm following, staying engaged, and I am weekly adding to these positions, what they call DCA, not financial advice, but that is just me. All right, so XRP, we're following them on the X. So that's my main goal today. I haven't finished yet. I'm projects, not because I have to, but because I want to. I was just listening to Warren Buffett this morning on. They have their annual shareholder meeting today, and they're publicizing it. And he was just saying, it's just the more you get into it, you enjoy it. It's like find things that you really like and that can grow. And, you know, these projects fascinate me. Let's look at pull up the. I don't want to pull up the white paper. I'm sticking with Twitter right now today. I'm going to make sure that I'm following everybody on X or Twitter. This is Cardano. Okay. This is a good project right here. This is a whole different other project, and I feel like it's I feel like it's undervalued, not financial advice. We'll see what happens. All right. Okay. Let's so that. Wow. Look how undervalued that is. That's just people. I feel like people are just sleeping on this right here, and we'll see what happens. Time will tell. These videos are going to be recorded in the time of history. Will these experts at the IM Academy and other people be right or wrong about the. Make sure following in the community, the X, following. Okay. All right. So that's Polkadot. All right. Now, chain link. All right. Working our way down. Working our way down. Max, look how undervalued this is. Now, in the next 4 years, I feel like we're going to, let's take a look over here. Let's look at the community website. We're just looking at the website, getting a peek. You can always explore later and go through their websites. This is just, oops. There's a lot to learn there, but I don't want to burn up our time here today. But I do want to make sure I'm following them. All right, all right. Now, let's see here. Let's work down the list of our top 15 MAINCAP cryptocurrencies for 2024. Polygon, Matic. Let's see here. Max. I like to look at the max just to get the big picture. When in doubt, zoom out. I feel like this is way undervalued. So this is their website. Just clearing some tabs. Let's see here. Community, Twitter. Give it a follow. Now we're going to be getting updates, right? All right. And if you're not following me on the Twitter, use right now, I'm streaming across the major platforms, but each seems like each social media platform has its own personality. So my goal over the next few months is to really master each one individually. So here's Litecoin, just under $100, 82. Previous all-time high is like 380. See, payment systems are a big thing coming up, and there's a lot of room in this space. A lot of this technology, the blockchain technology, which most of us don't even really understand it, but it's going to be so interweaved in all of our lives. And this is the stuff in the background you don't even giving it a follow. Okay. That's Litecoin. Uniswap. Wow. Very undervalued, I feel like. I'm excited about this one. Let's see here. Look at the website. This tells you all about it. This is basically a decentralized crypto exchange. So what most people are used to, because you have to take your like USD, you have to convert it to like either Ethereum or something else, and then you take that, put it on the exchange, and then you buy the thing you want to buy, and then when you want to sell it, you have to sell it back for the Ethereum and then convert the Ethereum back. So it's a little bit of a pain, but the thing is a lot of the smaller cap coins are getting listed on the Uniswap exchange. Savvy investors a place to buy projects earlier, like in that if you believe in, right? So just something to keep in mind. These are some of the things that if you can pick up on and you're interested in taking advantage of it in this space, then you can just you can take advantage of it. Giving it a follow. All right, Twitter, clearing out some tabs. Okay. 5 more. Okay, Cosmos Hub or Atom. Very undervalued. Oh wow. I can't wait till we get I'm not in a hurry to get back to previous all-time highs, so I want to get more money in. You see how the thinking is? So the website is here. Let's take a quick peek at that. Building on the interchain. Okay. This is very interesting. Blockchain, secure blockchain applications. Okay, let's give it a follow on Twitter. Okay, follow. So now I'm going to start getting their updates, right? And then I can, you know, and when you understand their business and you understand know the people behind the business, it's a whole nother level of comfort and understanding with your investments, or because not financial. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be beautiful. So I feel like this. Look, buy low, sell high. Not financial advice, but where are we now? Are we low? Yeah, we're low, right? So anybody could take advantage of this. Not financial advice. Let's take a peek at the website. Let's see. Stellar is where blockchain meets the real world. See, blockchain. Just the other day, this guy said that where are we at? Oh, first came online and everybody got email. All right, and that was in the 90s. And that was a big deal. It was a big deal, right? But now look where we're at. 2024 with the technology, email is a very little piece of that. But this is where the blockchain and the AI, this whole space, blockchain, all that stuff to the real world, and it's stuff that you're not even gonna see. It's built in the back of your phone. It's inside the phone. It's inside the computer. It's inside our televisions. It's inside our cars, right? But these projects like this is where this is what's it's early, but this is what's gonna be. This is what's being. These projects are what's helping. But confident putting your your hard-earned money, or however you look at it, your assets into certain things because you believe in it. It's like well, it's not that you believe it, you just it's like things are like, hey, yeah, this is all making sense, right? Then you go, yep, that's how you do it. Okay, so make sure we're following on Twitter. Research this way. You just go to coingecko.com and you dig around. Each asset has their own info, website, community, right? So Twitter right now, my goal today is to follow all the top 15 main cap picks that I share with you today. I'm going to be following them on the Twitter so that I can get the latest updates, and then, and then wherever else I can get information. Okay, but this is go. 3 more to go. Hang in there. So for our top 15 picks of 2024 main cap, right? Let's take a look at Maker. All right. This is a nice looking chart. So, all right. So let's take a look at the website. I don't know a lot about Maker, is what I would like to know. It's a currency. It's an unbiased. I feel one big reason is because it's decentralized, meaning It's just the people. There's no central organization controlling it. It's the people controlling it, and that seems to be where we're going. Right. So this is I want to take a look at their Twitter community. Want to make sure I'm following them. Maker. Going to give them a follow. So now I'll get updates regularly on what they're talking about. They're tag cameras everywhere. So be careful. Don't send money to people you shouldn't be sending it to. So now we're following them. Okay, that's Maker. Two more to go for the top 15 picks. Algorand. Let's look at this. Wow. I love seeing charts like this, particularly when I believe in, from the way I understand it, pretty red right now. But let's take a look at their website. Let's see here, algorand.com. Let's see what we got. Let's see here. Mission. Core beliefs. Three core beliefs. Technological innovation can and should be used for the betterment of society. Blockchain offers enormous potential to improve how organizations and societies operate. Number three, so go ahead and deliver it, Algo. I'll see you at the top. All right, so that's why they're in the top 15 right there. Algorand. And last but not least, Tezos. Okay, let's see here. I wish I knew more about these than I do, but that's why we're doing this. I'm sharing with you. A great looking chart. Again, a lot of these are in the red, which means it's okay. Sorry, I'm losing you for a minute. I think it's back. Uh-oh. Shoot. Okay. All right, it held. Okay, we're back. We're back. Sorry about that. Had a glitch in the internet. Okay. This is Tezos' website, tezos.com. Yeah, that will be a bad sign if you go to their website and their website's gone. Your your company might be out of business. Right. But no, they're here. All right, Tezos.com, a blockchain designed to evolve. Right. It's all about the blockchain, folks. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's all about the blockchain and the future of this and people creating creating things like this is going to make things better for people. Let's go to their Twitter. Give them a follow. Okay. So Tezos is a self-upgradable and energy-efficient proof-of-stake blockchain. Right. So now we'll get updates from them. Have you ever dreamed of playing a football match at the Theater of Dreams? And what does that even... I guess it's all about the virtual technology. Right. So this is Tezos. Okay, I'm going to sign off of that. So there you go. Here we go. The top 15. These are my picks. And it's going down in the books for documentation purposes. So 2024, May 2nd. These are my picks for now. Now, as time goes on, I may adjust. That's the thing. So that's the thing. We have to be smart about that. There may be a time to sell. There may be a time to add more. There may be a time to get rid of one. Maybe something happens to one of these, like XRP is one of the weird ones. Like but I believe it's possible that they're going to get through but they're having some challenges as a company. But it's one that could really blow up. But it's also, I feel like, one that could blow down. So if it does, we just have to exit and move on. And that's the thing. So maybe that's why like some of these other ones can make up. If you have out of 15, if you have one or two that just doesn't work out, the other ones will hopefully should make up the difference. But we'll, that's kind of the fun. It's like a game, and it's our game. We can play it how we want. And that's what I want to share with you about the I Am Academy. All of this is just being brought to you on behalf of me, because I'm an independent business owner with the I Am Academy, where we have over 60 different instructors that just daily go over this kind of stuff. And if you want to have a conversation with me about that, just call me anytime. I'm very easy to talk to. Message me. My number's inside the description. Just for a little call. If you have a question, I know you might have a question about something, and it's just you just maybe a little nervous to take action on it, but just reach out. You don't have to sign up for the academy or if I can answer anything, but I won't give you financial advice. They don't want anybody to do that. Nobody wants to give it financial advice, but we just want to point people to what works. And in this case, it's the I Am Academy. It's an academy where we all learn, right? So if you're interested in learning and being around other like-minded people that want to learn and build your life through these next 5, 10 plus years, reach out to me. Let's connect. No obligation, right? Not at all. I just want to help you get an understanding. There's some simple things you could probably do, and then you could go all the way home, right? So that's it for now. Appreciate your time and energy, and I'll be back. And remember that health is wealth. No matter what, without our health, what do we have? So I encourage you to be really healthy. That's why I have on my channel, all across my medias now. If you're on my YouTube, I'm going fitness and finance because I'm passionate about both. But health is wealth. Without our health, what do we have, right? And if you're in need of that's really my specialty, is getting people healthy and living the healthy lifestyle. So I'll throw out another offer to you if you're interested in that. That is a specialty of mine, and I can coach you virtually. I can assist you to lose 10 pounds or 100 pounds. I can assist you to have more energy, right? So if you have any question about that, just message me. I'll talk to you. Matter of fact, I'm testing out some new programs, and I'd love to just run you through a test and see if you can get some benefit from it. So, all right, well, that's it for now, and I'll be back. So health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. And I'll see you on the next one.